started this morning finishing off the conduit. Now it's time to run the fiber. For this job, I'm actually using a new product that I'm really excited about. This is from NanoFiber. This is actually an armored 12-strand single mode fiber in this tiny little package right there. Let me get this inside, go ahead and get the fiber ran, and I'll show you what's so special about this when I start terminating. I got the fiber ran through the attic of this building. It's sticking out of that LB right there. Now I'm about to take my fish tape, get it fed through the conduit from this side so I can get the fiber pulled over here. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the fish tape through the conduit, so I'm moving on to plan B. Got our pull string, tied a bag onto it. I'm gonna stuff it down in that LB, and then I'm gonna stick my vacuum on the other side and see if we can suck it through. Set up on the other side, got the vacuum on the ladder, about to feed the air tip down and see if we can get it sucked through. Unfortunately, plan B didn't work out. Neither did plan C or D. My battery powered vacuum just didn't have enough power to be able to suck that bag and that line through the conduit. I couldn't get the fish tape through it. I even went and bought a new steel fish tape just to see if I could get that through. Still couldn't get it through, which the conduit has a lot of water and dirt in it because they didn't have it capped off or anything after they originally ran it. Instead of wasting any more time on that, I'm just going to call it quits on the conduit for today and revisit that tomorrow. So now I'm going to go ahead and run 4 more Cat 5s that they added today that they didn't realize they needed in the original scope of work. Go ahead and get those knocked out and see if I can possibly get the rack installed and go from there. Just finished fueling up. Unfortunately, I lost a few hours today dealing with that conduit. No matter what I tried, I just couldn't get it fished through, and that's why I went ahead and just moved on to the other things. But I got the rack installed, I got the cables they added ran. Hopefully tomorrow, once I have my big shot back with me, I'll be able to suck a pull string through that conduit, finish up that fiber, and then get our lines terminated. But first and foremost, you know what time it is. Oh yeah, baby.